Another example in Surah Yasin, chapter 36, verse 36.
سبحان الذي خلق الأزواج كلها مما تنبت الأرض ومن أنفسهم ومما لا يعلمون.
Allah describes about sexes in the vegetable kingdom, in the animal kingdom, and of things that we don't know, which are all recent discoveries. He says, Subhanalladhi khalaqal azwaja kullaha. Says, glory be to Him who has created mates of everything. Mimma tumbitul ardu, of that which the earth produces, the vegetable kingdom. Wa min anfusikum, and from among yourselves, the animal kingdom. And wa mimma la ya'lamun, and of things that you don't know. Mates of everything. It's a recent discovery that even plants, flowers have sexes. There are some flowers that have male and female in itself. There are other plants and trees, they are separate sexes. Like the date palm. The male tree is different from the female tree. I'm sure you Arabs know that. See, we didn't know that. Mankind didn't know that. In the time of the Prophet, they didn't know that. Because they didn't know about pollination, that the insects and the bees and the wind was doing the job. But it's not as good as you doing it physically, bringing them together, because the male plant can't come and walk and meet the female plant. Same thing in the pawpaws. It's a papaya, pawpaws, beautiful fruit. See, I planted, I love this fruit. I ate one day and very tasty, so I took the seeds and I threw in my garden. And 2 pawpaw trees, they started, papaya, started growing. I don't know what you call it. Pawpaws. Is it understood? Papaya. We say papaya. They started growing. And in time they bore fruit. Delicious fruit. Very tasty. So I took the seed and I planted again. Nothing. And I keep on planting the seeds. Nothing is happening. Then I dried them up in ashes and planted. Nothing happens. Then different ways of treating the seed. I tried and tried and tried. Nothing happens. And I can't understand. Why? What's happened? When I threw the thing first and it grew, and now nothing is growing out of these seeds. The seeds look perfect. And it took me a long time to discover what when Allah says, Subhanallazi khalaqal azwaja kullaha mimma tumbitul ardu, of the vegetable kingdom. Then I found that the pawpaw trees, this papaya, there is a male tree and a female tree, like in the dates. The female tree has big flowers growing around the trunk. The male tree has a small stalks, and at the end of it are small flowers. The bees and the wind does the job of pollination. If there is a male tree around, it will be fertile. If there's no male tree, you can have 100 female trees, you'll get the fruit. But the seeds are all useless, worthless. You can't plant the seeds. You can't have any more pawpaws. Once they're old and dead, gone, finishes the furnish. 1400 years ago, Allah Bari Ta'ala, through His Ummi Prophet, is telling us, Subhanallazi, glory be to Him, khalaqal azwaja kullaha. Miracle of knowledge.
Al Mominur Rashid Urdu, Rational Believer Urdu.